So over here, you can see that I have added in some text right here in my book right here. And then you can see that this has a certain look to it. But if I want to go ahead and change the type, that is the look of this particular font, then you can go around over here onto the type section right here. So you can go ahead and choose a color if you wish, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep it black itself right here. Then you can go ahead and change around the size of the text, as you can see right here. You can simply go ahead and change around the size. You can change around even the opacity of the text right here. Change around the tracking right here, the space between lines, and change the baseline right here, just like this as well. Change around the leading and kerning right here, and so forth right here, as you can see. So you can see that this is what you have. And now I'm going to say flowers are very beautiful, beautiful to look, to look, feel, and smell. Let's say, for example, right here. So once I go ahead and do that, let me just go ahead and copy and paste out this sentence right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So you can go ahead and change around the leading right here, change around the kerning as you want as well, as I select it out. So you can see that I can change around the leading and so forth right here. So apart from that, I can also go ahead and then, let's say, for example, this is left align. You can center align it or right align it, and even justify this out to the left line right here, just like this, so that it takes up the same space right here. You can also go ahead and then justify it to full right here, just like this, by adding space right here, and justify it to the right as well, and so forth. And that is what you have, as you can see. So what you can also do is you can select out the text and then choose another font that you like. Let's say, for example, I can go for Chilla, and then you get a different font, as you can see, Corbel, and then there's different font right here. You can go for Monotype Cursiva, and then you can see that you got stylistic text right there. You can also go ahead and choose the typeface. Right now, Monotype Cursiva only has one, but if I were to go to Calibri, let's say, for example, then I can go for bold, I can go for bold italic, and so forth, as per how I want, as you can see. And that is how you can adjust out the photo text type in book module of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.